Welcome to the Chemistry Live channel, and today we are discuss about module 9, which is retrosynthesis and synthesis of sulfanilamide. That module is for the category of draw chemical structure using the software in chemistry. So let's begin with our today's retrosynthesis and synthesis of sulfanilamide. So let's begin with the retrosynthesis of sulfanilamide. So how we can proceed with the sulfanilamide? First we have to draw the structure of sulfanilamide. So we can took a benzene ring, place the CH3 again here. We have also placed one CH3 here in like that manner, and one is not that side. We have to place in such a good manner that it will be very easy to access it, and also it like to be good. Okay, so first here there is a NH2, there is a NH2, there is a sulfur atom, there is a double bond here over here, double bond over here. We have to place oxygen here and oxygen here. The structure of sulfanilamide, what we get. Now we have to press a retrosynthesis arrow to get the FGI step before the step. Okay. So that is FGI, but in that FGI step there is little bit difficulties. So which, let's say before. First write here FGI, as we know how to write it. So write the FGI and then press that. So now we have to select that whole group from here to here. Just copy it and try to paste it somewhere here. So now we have one more difficulties, and the difficulty is we have to add here at that position protection of NH2 group, because we cannot direct impact or direct create the NH2 group over the para position of SO2H, or we cannot create the SO2H, SO2NH2. So let's start with that. So for that one we need to add again CH3 here, here, here and here. So it is go up. So what is our task? If it is go up, then select it whole, select the whole, press it, lower it down or lower it down more, or for that purpose also we have lower it down, because it should be in same pattern, that two arrows and both are in lower it down in that manner. So here we have our FGI step. It is not like alignment, we have aligned it. So now what we should do first, we have here make a double bond, because we have NHCOCH3 that we want to get. Okay, so from here we'll get this FGI step, we get NH. So how we get this, we will check it in synthesis portion. So there is a next step. The step is called again another FGI. From that we can convert this NH2 to Cl, because it is important to get our starting material. So we are doing just one same stuff. We can copy this whole and copy and trying to put it paste in such a same direction. So we are not wasting more time here to write it down, then just copy and paste it again here. So actually we are trying to save a time, nothing more, nothing else apart of that. So here we put LCl. So that is our third, because we have to make two FGI back to back. In first we have to NHCOCH, which is addition or protection, and then that is FGI, which is add the NH2 to Cl, and then the last step we have to add. The step is again the FGI. So here the last step is CS bond disconnection. How we can proceed for CS bond disconnection, let's see. But before that, where we have to add here this step, this one, and we have to delete unwanted steps from here, structures, and that unwanted step we don't want it, so we can delete it here. So that is our starting material, and we forget to one basic rule, to just copy this arrow to save our lots of time, and then add CS disconnection. So there is CS disconnection. So it's heterolytic disconnection. In the disconnection it is more feasible, so we can use that disconnection, and that's it. So that is actually our retrosynthesis of sulfanilamide. So now we can switch real synthesis. So what we do for that synthesis, as usual, copy the structure, paste it here, and we can go a little bit upside, because it is important, because we have lots of structure to draw. Then use a normal arrow like the normal one, don't need to hard like press more arrow, just use normal arrow because it is useful. So just copy it and stay it at somewhere else. So first is reaction. If you get here nothing from that SO2Cl, so we have chlorosulfonic acid. So press the chlorosulfonic acid. So write down here chlorosulfonic acid. So how did we? So it's simple, Cl, then SO3, SO and then use this subscript H, subscript of and H. This chlorosulfonic acid, that is, we have to make it a little bit upright position. Okay, so it is clearly visible now. Now from the chlorosulfonic acid we'll get this compound, as we know. We'll get this compound. So we have to copy this compound and again paste it as our recommendation. So copy and just paste, trying to paste it here, the same. So we get the chlorosulfonic compound. That chlorosulfonic compound when react with ammonia. So what we want to do, because we are very quick to finish it, we become a master on that one. So we have copy and paste the arrow again, use the same stuff, or we can again copy and paste it till here, edit this, or we can use that structure file name, and here we have to press NH3 or NH and then delete unwanted hydrogen as well. So it's ammonia. So you press ammonia, then it is done. So our job is done. Here there is ammonia. The next step is this. So this is the next step. So if we want to copy it, then just put it, copy and paste it here. See that what we did here is completely less time consumable, because prior we learn how to draw it, but when we get a mastery, we are just make it more effectively, or we can draw number of structure in minimal of time. So that is the role, how we get the number of structure in minimal of time. So here there is a 1 CS3. Okay, now the structure is perfect. Now we want to add an arrow. So how we can do that same? So copy it and paste it. So now the last step is to deprotection of that one. For the deprotection, we have to add strong acid. So what the strong acid did? They give a H plus and remove that whole ion. So we can use, in my point of view, we can use SCl. So we can use the SCl in that reaction at the last step. So if we use SCl, it is very useful, and then make it align. Okay, now you are become a master to how to make it align and all stuff. And now our last step, or our sulfanilamide drug, it is here. So we can copy it and paste it here. That is sulfanilamide, and that's it. That's our complete sulfanilamide structure. So in that time, we have to now switch to that property section. So for the property section, we again copy this. As you know, tool, generate name. We get the name of our structure. Fine, it's perfect. Again copy this. Tool, calculate the molecular formula. Copy to editor. It is here. Just put it down. Again copy it. Tool, calculate, formula weight. Copy to editor. Press it here. Then at the last, M plus ion peak or M plus H peak, if you wish to get, then copy it. Tools, calculate, and M plus. Copy that and put it here. Here, there is a one good thing. If you wish to learn more about the synthesis, just press on I button, which is shown in your right hand side top corner. So that switch to you towards our one video. It's preparation of sulfanilamide practically. That is also helpful to you guys. So thank you for watching. And if you have any doubt, just write me in comment section. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notification like that good informative videos.